Hello, my name is Sifu Ahmed from Kuwait. This is my student, Ahmed. So today we're gonna do one technique, which is in the street, if someone started a fight, sometimes they push at the beginning. They do this. So we're gonna do that as if some guy is pushing you, instead of going back this way, see, you can see my body is twisting. So on this way, when I see that happening, I just gonna throw my hand to his groin, direct, like that, down here, okay? So as soon as I do that, I'm gonna go up with the punch here, okay? And then finishing from here. So we'll do that one more time, slow, from this side. So it's gonna be one here. I close my fist, I go up with the knuckles, chin, then I go inside to the nerve, hammer on the nose and face here, grab, eyes and everything here, and then I push and I go inside. This way. I have the groin, you can kick, you can go in, okay, up, and that's it. Thank you.